around the corner and I wasn't paying attention. And people come running around the corner because they thought Obama had visit the hospital.
Now speaking of Obama.
He was at
He sounds just like you.
That's
funny.
It's all in the inflection of how you say the words. Because some things are really important, and therefore you have to make people wait. I've got so many thoughts going on in my head, I have to put them together before they come out. But I know we can do it. I'm thinking right now how we can do it. We won't do it overnight, but I promise you, we'll do it within the next 10 years. Stick with me. I'll set you free. Yes, we can.